Yo, 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 happy new year, guys. I am back with another video. I know you missed me. I am back with a little bit of a tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Happy new year, everyone. It is 2023. This is ShunaB. Welcome back. I have been MIA, just living life, doing me. Hope you've been doing the same. No stress. That's how I want to keep it. If you are new here, on this channel, you will find a wide variety of different styles. Today, I'm doing micro, mini, small, however you want to name it, plaits. I'm just showing a little bit of a product that I use. My hair is on the thinner side naturally because I am severely anemic, so that's the reason why. And during postpartum, I lost my hair in the front. It was all gone, not a strand, and it's slowly but surely growing back in. The front is definitely stagnant, but that's where I lost the most, so that's why it looks like that. But I'm trying my best. I do use the Miel rosemary mint oil. That definitely helps, and I'm trying to limit pulling my hair back. So I'm just trying to do styles where I can just pull my hair down in front so it's always covered to help it just grow. But if you think this type of content will benefit you, definitely stick around, because that's what I do, is figure out hairstyles that suits us gals and guys that have low density hair. And as you see, I'm just gathering up small pieces. I am using Shine and Jam and maybe a little bit of wax, and definitely my hair grease. I think there was hair food that I used. I did start these in 2022, even though it is 2023. You see me braiding my hair, and I don't braid all the way down. You want to stop midway. And what I will be doing later on is also taking some smaller pieces and crocheting them in so you can see more of the curl, because as you see, once you plait the hair down, the curl doesn't start to the bottom. And I don't want flatness. I like volume, so you would definitely see that. And we're just showing you the size of the hair that I'm using. You want to use, not too much. No, not big pieces, because it's hard to keep it attached if it makes any sense. But this is what I'm going to be doing. And I've worn this style for, I think I'm going on 3 weeks for this style, if my math is right. Yeah, so you would definitely get longevity out of it. And I get the bulk of my hair from Ebony Line. You can get great discounts there. Not promoting them, but that's just where I order from. This is where I will show you how to crochet it on. Just find a small piece and find the area that you want your most volume and have at it. So stick around to see the finished results. And once again, if this type of content will benefit you in your life, definitely join the party. Hit that subscribe button. Definitely appreciate it. And you never know what's next to come with me. As you know, those that have been here ain't no telling what I may do next. This is a variety channel. Just a heads up, I may not always do hair. I'm going to be throwing in some beauty regimens and some makeup, and definitely a lot of fashion is going to be coming up. I'm also working on dropping a few pounds. I've gained so much weight, I'm just going to be honest. Who haven't? But yeah, I got to get snapped back before the summer. So see you guys later on. I will discuss some more things coming up here shortly. Upload. Alright, this is the finished look of the hair. Honestly, guys, this is about almost 4 weeks, I should say. No, I would say almost three and a half weeks. Well, I don't know. I can't exactly remember, but it's been a while since I put these in, since I started them to now. So, yeah. Just wanted to come in, and I'm just looking in the mirror here just to show you how well the hair holds up. I did use a combination of Glance and Lulu Tress. I thought I had ran out of my Lulu Tress, and I ran out. Couldn't find Deep Twist, so I got Beach Curl. Match perfectly. So the Beach Curl pattern is more in the back, because that's why I started to run out, and my Deep Twist is in the front. This will be my go-to style for a minute. I'll still do crochets, but for those of you that have been here on my channel, my hair is extremely thin in the front, so I'm trying my best to stop from having to pull it back and braid it backward, because I'm getting older. I turned 45 back in November. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I just been doing other things, to be honest. YouTube is fine, but it don't bring in the money right now. So I don't know if it ever will. It's still a hobby. If it do, I receive it. But if not, it's no biggie. But like I said, I got bigger and other things going on to where I like to focus on YouTube. Once again, it's just a hobby. So I would try to be more I say consistent, try to be more consistent with videos, but it's hard when you have, I'm not trying to be funny, but I have a life outside of social media. I completely got off Facebook, I abandoned TikTok, I never got on Twitter, never was a big Instagrammer, so it is what it is. So that's why I don't really push those. I was kind of pushing TikTok a little bit because, as you guys know, it's taking over the world. But we are going through too much right now in the world. We're in crisis. No one seems to be talking about that as often as needed. But I'm just here to share these recession type proof and inflation proof hairstyles for those that still like to look good but is on a tight budget. So I hope this helped. Once again, this is Deep Twist. If you're just tuning in, with a little bit of Beach Curl mixed in, and I just braided it on, and as you saw, I took hair and just crocheted it on so it can look fuller. It won't be so flat because I do like volume. I like big hair. And you can put her up in a ponytail. Stuck on my earring, piece of hair. Stuck. Kind of like a messy ponytail. I'm gonna loosen it up a little and fluff it out. But this is mainly how I have it at work, so it just won't be in my way. And I did order some more hair to do. When I take these out, I think I will try my best to keep them in. It's January the 12th, and I did these while we were out for New Year's, I think. Christmas, I can't remember. But anyway, I want to say it's been about 2 weeks, so maybe it was Christmas break. I cannot remember. Getting old. Let me show y'all. I've been depleted of energy, so I did order some Celestial Energy Tea. I also have the Sleepy Time. I need it. Energy has been. I need glasses. I got an eye doctor appointment lined up. Getting old is not fun, but anyway. So thank you for still hanging around, and all the new subscribers, I definitely appreciate you. Just noticed this child. But anyway, I do appreciate you guys for being here. Just hang tight. I will definitely bring more content. I always have some ideas festering, but it is what it is. And I hope you guys have a good 2023, because it is a new year. If I did not already mention that, I probably did. That's what Ginkgo biloba is for. But anyway, still awesome. Let me get off of here because I'm hungry and I'm focusing on my food that I'm cooking. Peace out, and I will see you guys in the next upload.